In this video, I'll be introducing you to some of the key scientific ideas contained within our vast collection of research that underpins the Zing performance programme, and explaining how it can improve your performance in sport, at work and in everyday life. The latest research has revealed to us that doing physical exercises can bring about a wide range of benefits, not only in your physical performance, but in your mental performance or brain function. This is known scientifically as cognitive function. For example, psychologists at the Beckman Institute at the University of Illinois demonstrate that physical exercises strongly improve both executive function and spatial reasoning skills in the brain. These skills are important for everyday tasks, such as maintaining focus and self-control, avoiding distractions, problem-solving ability, and multitasking. So how do physical exercises bring about these improvements in cognitive function? It's partly due to the fact that exercise causes release of chemicals in the brain that stimulate growth of new brain cells and blood vessels. Exercise has even been shown to increase brain size. Next, it was discovered that specific types of exercise gave larger cognitive benefits than others. For example, a sport like wrestling, which requires spatial skills, as well as planning and adjustment of strategy throughout the match, had larger effects on improving cognitive abilities than running. So at this point, we were awakened to the idea that not only can physical exercise improve your mental function, but the type of physical exercise you do is also crucial. In essence, physical activities that challenge your mind as well as body will bring greater benefits than aerobic exercise alone. In contrast to these new ideas, the computer and video game-based forms of brain training that involve minimal physical exertion seem to be a somewhat unnatural approach and are likely to have more limited effects. The type of activities used in Zing performance are designed to simulate the hindbrain and cerebellum, otherwise known as subcortical brain regions. The subcortex takes up only 10% of the brain's total volume, but contains roughly 50% of the total neurons in the brain. Other computer-based brain training methods, which do not incorporate movement into their programs, fail to adequately stimulate these brain regions and, as such, are automatically failing to develop roughly 50% of the neurons in the brain. A paper published in 2013 by psychologists at Princeton expresses surprise at the fact that physical exercise and computer-based brain training can both develop your brain, but have yet to be combined into what would be an ultimately more effective program for achieving your maximum cognitive potential. Here at Zing Performance, we've created a program that does just that. We believe that in order to achieve maximum brain development, the benefits brought about by physical exercise should be combined with cognitive brain training. Our specially designed exercises engage many different natural skills within your brain, such as balance, proprioception, visual focus, executive function, and working memory. This combination of cognitively and physically engaging activities gives your brain the optimal stimulation to achieve long-lasting improvements in your cognitive function, which in turn translates into maximum impact on the skills you need at work, in sport, and in everyday life. This 2013 paper, published in the Journal of Neuroscience, shows how a type of physical activity similar to some of those used in Zing performance increases the connectivity and number of brain cells in the hindbrain and the connecting higher brain regions. These brain regions are important in the learning and perfecting of skills. If you would like to know more about how these brain regions control the development of our skills, which in turn will give you a deeper insight into how Zing performance could help develop your brain function, then take a look at my next video.